So, hey, y'all, welcome back to the channel. It's your girl Jay, and I just wanted to say thank you for coming back. I appreciate you all. I just wanted to say about the pattern that I'm getting ready to show you, which is the new look pattern right here. There were 10 pieces that had to be cut out, so that's another reason that made this fabric an easy sew for me. It was 10 pieces. Normally, when I'm cutting out stuff, it's a lot of pieces. So, I enjoy cutting it out. I enjoyed sewing it, and now I'm about to share it with you guys. So, once again, thank you for stopping by. Happy birthday to all my September Sewtasticers. I wish you well and many, many more. God bless you. And with that said, let's get into the video. Hey y'all, for some reason I lost the footage of sound, so as you can see, Jay Sotastic, so what? But today I'm explaining with you how I felt about this make. Y'all see it back here now. It is New Look 2097, and I really enjoyed making the pattern. And I'm explaining all that here to you guys, and now I'm going to share with you um the picture so you guys can see it once again as you saw it in the beginning. But yeah, I'm just running off at the mouth. I don't know what I'm saying, so I don't know how this voiceover is going to work, but here it is. Knowme 2097, and is a men's jacket, and as you can see in the background, there it is, y'all, there it is. I guess I'm kind of explaining to you guys about how I work the pattern or whatever have you and stuff like that. I don't know. But I really enjoyed making this jacket. Um, it had like 10 pieces to cut out. So I had the scarf, which goes around the neck. I had the front and back sleeves. I had the front pockets, and I had the side pockets, and I had the two front panels. So, it was easy to cut out because I don't know, it was easy to cut out because I guess because it wasn't a lot of pieces. And also, just to let you know, I did use a blanket that I brought at Walmart, and the blanket is a king size quilted blanket. Here I'm going to share with you the fabric so you can kind of see what it looks like. On one side, it is like a taupe cream. I guess is what you call it. And it has a little bit of batting in it. So it's pretty warm. I did have the person that I sold it for try it on, and they said that it was already warm. So I decided not to put in a lining. It did call for a lining, but I decided not to do that. So plus, like I said, he already said that it was warm. So, yeah, there you go. So now let's get into, let me see. I don't know what else I'm getting ready to do. I'm probably going to show you guys the line drawings and stuff like that so y'all can see the front of the pattern and the back of the pattern. I don't know. Let's wait and see. Okay, yep. I'm showing y'all the line drawings. I'm so sorry I lost my voice. That's why I don't like wearing no mic. But okay, so that's it right there. All right. So I think I did explain to you guys about when cutting something with patterns on it or prints or florals or lines or whatever have you, then I think it's best to kind of, uh-oh, what happened? To kind of line it up. My computer just blinked out on me. To kind of line things up, but let me bring it closer so y'all can see the pattern. I tried to line things up as much as possible, and I'm sharing with you how I didn't have enough binding to go around the whole jacket, so I had to create some of the binding by cutting it off on little pieces and connecting them and then sewing them on the bottom, as you can see me pointing to it there. Um, it wasn't hard to do, but I did have to pull out the blanket part of it, and there's the pockets, and I made the binding for that as well. So when I got to the scarf, I didn't have enough. But anyway, it still worked out okay. But I am thinking about adding some lining, binding, bias tape, whatever you want to call it, to the other side because I don't like this look right here, where it's looks unfinished. I mean, it's neatly done, but it still looks unfinished, and I don't like that part. So I'm thinking about purchasing some binding, and I could have cut it out of the blanket, but I didn't. But I'm thinking about buying some more binding and going around the seams in the inside so that it just looks so much neater. I want myself to look neat. I want people to feel comfortable when they're wearing it because I didn't make this for me. I made this for someone else, and um yeah, I want him to feel comfortable when he takes it off, that he's not like, somebody gonna see that messed up part or whatever. You never know what people are thinking. But with that said, that's my whole plan to finish it off. Also, as you can see, this is what I'm talking about right here with the unfinished look. Even though it's all looks neat on the front side, it doesn't look neat on the other side. So here I'm sharing with you that I have yet to put on the buttons and the buttonholes. So I still have to do that. I'm sharing with you the pockets on the front, and we got two side pockets. Yeah, y'all, she got side pockets. And yeah. So, well, he got side pockets, should I say? And it really was a like an asymmetrical sleeve, which was easy to cut, easy to sew and attach. Um, like I said, I tried to connect as much as I could, but I just wanted to make sure that I had binding on the sleeves like it is on the pattern. And also, let me take it off so y'all can see, kind of see the inside of, what we're working with, the reason why I want to put um, binding, bias tape on the inside. So my next thing is what color. Should I put it in the color of the green, or should I put it in the color of the taupe? Y'all let me know in the comments below what y'all think I should line it with, because I do want to cover up the seams. I do want to do that. Even though they're neatly sewn, I still want to cover them up because when you take off a jacket, I just don't want to look at a bunch of seams. So I'm assuming no one else does as well. I mean, yeah, that comes with not putting in the lining. So there's the pockets, and I tacked the pockets to the jacket so they wouldn't be hanging off when you put your hands in them. And yeah, which pockets will do if they're longer than the jacket, pretty much. What else am I sharing with you guys here? Um, just my technique and me trying to improve my sewing. Just letting you see insides and outsides of garments. I'm trying to share with you, what, and maybe it'll hopefully motivate you to make sure that your garments look, like it, like when you, if you want to wear it, or how you want to wear clothes. When you go to the store and you look at clothes, what you want to make sure that they're nice and neat and everything. So yeah, so let me bring y'all back up here and see what else I'm getting ready to share. I don't know what I'm talking about here. I really don't. So I'm just gonna um, turn the jacket back out to the right side and go from there. And I'm hoping you guys enjoying the jacket, what it looks like, how it came out. Let me know in the comments what you think about how it came out, regardless of the fact that I don't have no sound. And it's really disappointing because I did say a lot that I felt was important. Um, yeah, I did. So y'all even gonna miss the part where I'm talking to Winston, and it's just disappointing, you guys, that you can't hear me. So right now I'm just getting the jacket situated, putting it back so y'all can see it one more time. I know it's frustrating probably to watch, but yeah. But it's so cute, ain't it cute, y'all? Some of y'all might have this blanket on your bed. I don't know. You might not. But anyway, yeah, so I really enjoyed, like I said, once again, making the jacket, and I'm looking a little rough in the video. I think my skin was dried out. I had a little rash on my face. I don't know if it was from the bee sting that I had and things were clearing out of my system and it dried out my skin a little bit. Um, but I'm looking at the video as I'm editing and I'm like, your skin ain't looking all that. But anyway, I ain't gonna down myself too much. So, yeah. I don't know what else to say to y'all because I'm saying so much there. I'm trying to remember what I said, but oh, I'm sharing here where I had to add a little divot in the arm area because one side, for some reason, he said it was a little tight on that side, so which is the left side, and so I added a little piece, and hopefully, when he comes back to try it on, it fits a little bit better. Um, because the other side he said was fine. So yeah, that side he said was okay, but it was just that side. So here I am just turning it around, showing you, what it looks like, and yeah, I'm happy with it, and he was happy with it as well, and it fit really really nice. So I was surprised that it fit him as nice because the arms I would have kept it for myself, but the arms were really big, and it is a man's jacket, but I could make me a smaller version for me, but I had enough blanket left over where I'll be able to make something out of it. I don't know if I'm gonna make me a vest, and maybe if we go somewhere, we both have it on. No, I don't want to be 20 with nobody. I don't want to be 20. I'm too old for 20. I don't know. I'll make me something out of it. Even a cover for my laptop or my tablet. I'll make a cover out of that or keychain or something. I don't know. Little zipper pouch pad. I can use it for whatever I have. So I do have some left, and I was glad to have that left. And I think I'm getting ready to share with you the supervisor, and I'm talking to him because he been bad, y'all. He been bad. I think he going through some things, and he need a little nip tuck. I think that's what I'm explaining here. How bad he would be in a bad butt this morning. And I told him to come over here and talk to the people. I says, talk to the people, Winston. He was like, who? What people? So he looking in the camera like, what? You want me to talk to them? Oh, them right there? Yeah, okay. Well, and I asked him, did he like it? I said, did you like the jacket, Winston? And he was like, I just want to go outside. Can I go outside, mommy? That's all he wants to do is go outside, you guys. That's it. So I asked him, he said no at first. And I was like, are you serious? Tell the people what your real opinion is. Tell them. Okay. Yep. Tell them about the jacket. Did you like it? You do? Yep. Give me high five on it. Okay, y'all. So yeah, I guess he did end up liking it. He's giving me the go. So yeah. But with that said, I'm gonna let y'all go. Thanks again for stopping by. And once again, happy birthday to my September Sewtasticers. And I have no clue what I'm sewing next. But I do have an event that I'm gonna be going to in September. So I do planned on sharing what my plans may be because I don't know what they are.